Come on. All right. Welcome back to another day. Hold on, let me show. You wanna say hi? Here, say hi. No. Okay, let me show Daddy and Kushal. So they are doing a DIY makeover of our patio furniture according to the new house. So this was originally gray color, and then we are doing it white to match with our dark blue color cushions. And let's go inside, baby. And then it looks really pretty. I love it how it's coming out. And they both are doing a good job. Good job, Kushag. So Mayang is taking full use of Kushag until he's here.
Teaching him things.
Yeah, teaching him things.
I think I've learned enough.
And come on, let's go inside. There's too much paint over here, baby. Let's go, come on. Also, I made Maggie for him for lunch item today because I am very busy this morning. I am making nimkis over here. And if you want the recipe, it's already in my cooking channel, so I can put the link here. And what do you want, baby? And I'm making more nimki here for Kushag to carry to Michigan. So he wanted some of these homemade snacks, so that's what we're giving him. Since he was not able to get these snacks when he was coming from India because his bags were full. So I'm making him this, and then I have another dough here to make him matri. That dough is gonna be matri. Also, my hair is very oily, so yeah. What do you want, baby, from here? Okay. And then, hold on, baby, let me give it to you. Quickly gonna serve lunch for Aiden because it's his lunch time. All the snacks are done. Here is the nimki ready, here is the matri, and this is the last batch frying here. And then I'm done frying everything for the day. And then the other stuff that I have to give him is basically some chocolates that we really like that he's gonna take some. I already gave him everything bagel seasoning. We gave him the s'mores chocolate, and I don't think I'm gonna make safe. It's one of the Indian snacks, which I'm gonna not do it now. Matri, and yeah. Okay, so pretty much done with all the stuff. And then so we got like 10 cans of spray paint, but then they ended up getting used in just 2 of the chairs. So now he's gonna get like a bucket of that color, like a gallon or something. And then he ordered this spray paint gun, and then he's gonna use this and just paint it. I think that will be much easier, and it's gonna look much more better with that than the bottle spray. So yeah. And then tomorrow he's gonna get that in the evening, and then tomorrow he's gonna paint it, and then tomorrow he'll also paint the bed. And tonight I think they're going, not I think, but I'm sure they're going for a movie to go watch movies 3, 2. I'm not going because I have to watch Aiden, and we don't take Aiden. We cannot take Aiden there. So I told him, you guys go, I'll just chill at home, watch my something. There are so many seasons of Love is Blind, and like Mexico, UK, so many others. So I have too many things to watch at home once Aiden is put to bed. So that's the plan for today. And you don't like it? And Aiden is drinking his milk right now after his lunch. So I'm gonna go put him to bed once this last batch is done. Ta-da! Ta-da! Is it yummy? Uh-oh. It's a very special kind. As you guys met Leelavati yesterday, she's doing good.
For those who haven't, go check out our previous vlog, a new family member edition.
Yeah. So we got some more stuff for Leelavati and for myself. So that's what we are unboxing right now. I just delivered from Amazon. So let me show you.
This is the stuff to support Tanya's journey of baking bread.
Yeah.
Not just baking.
So this is the...
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
What do you want, baby?
Daddy.
Let me wipe it. Give me 1 second.
This is the bread slicer that I got. And it comes with a safeguard that you just put in like this, but look at that. Basically This is how it looks. It had very good reviews.
Here.
And then the breast that we were cutting with our knife, like the bread knife, was not very even. So this is supposed to help you with having even slices.
And then I think this is the container, which is super. So this is the container, again, everything is from Amazon. This is the container she got for her bread flour.
Yeah.
We got 50 pounds of bread flour yesterday from Costco because Costco did not have anything less than that.
And that was super cheap.
Yes, that was definitely cheap. It is airtight and it comes with like a cup to scoop and cleaning things. And then you...
Hold on, baby.
Showing you guys, and this is super easy to use. That's what we like because we just press this and it's super airtight.
Airtight.
And then you press this and this opens up. So that's the one she got for her bread flour. And then this is what I got. And I ordered a lot of this stuff without telling her that I ordered it. So
yeah,
this is the working sheet that I got. So she can work out a dough here and she knows the circumference of the dough and everything, so she doesn't have to worry about this. Is super washable. She wouldn't have to clean up the countertop and things like that. So I got her a silicone working sheet. And this is the Benetton bread proofing kit. So this is something that she has been waiting for. I let her open this one and show it to you guys.
baby, that's it.
And
You already ate 2 big pieces.
chocolate gives you.
Alright. I did. Come on, T-Bone, can I please have my camera back?
Let me show Aiden in here. Oh, there is Aiden. He ate a chocolate. Chocolate gives you? Buggies. So we cannot have too much chocolate, okay? Let's show mommy's bread baking kit. Okay? Okay, alright.
Here. Okay. So it comes with 2 proofing baskets. One is round and then the other one is oval. Oh, sourdough manual. And then this is the scraping thing, and this is also the scraping thing. I don't know the exact names of it.
So this was the metal scraper.
Yeah, like a silicone one.
And this is the silicone one to like scrape the dough out of the thing.
And this is the sourdough whisk. It's the whole dough. I'm super excited to do it with this and use it. And a cleaning brush.
Bye-bye.
And bye-bye. And this is the, hold on.
The scoring blade.
Yeah.
Ooh, fancy.
So here are the blades, and then you just put it in this.
Yeah.
This is the space.
So basically, you twist it and open it, and then you just get the blade hooked in,
yeah.
and then you just twist it back, and it tightens it up.
Yeah.
That's it. Got another thing. Let me show how this works. So this is the kit to cut the bread. Unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, it does come with a knife for bread cutting. People say that this knife is so sharp that it cuts like a butter, but we still wanted to have like this knife because we may or may not always, not every loaf may fit in here.
Yeah.
So we wanted to have something this because then you can control the ease of and uniformity of your bread. But let me show you how this one works because this one is really good. So basically this is the thing. It has a knife that is attached here by a magnet, and this is the guard. And the way this works is basically you have this thing and you have these guards here that go all the way back up, and then it goes like this. So this becomes your working station, as you can see. and you can put in the bread here. You can put in the bread here, and then you can slice. The thickness of these is different. So this is like a less thickness, this is like more thickness, and even more thickness. So whatever you want as your safeguard, you just use this thing to put at that thickness, and then you put the bread. You put the bread here, and then you just cut through it. Now if your loaf doesn't fit in here, then you can easily just use, you can just okay, well, this is
expands.
No, it's, so there it is. So it locks in here. So basically you just use one side of it, and you can put any loaf, and you can like try to slice it, so it still works. So there it is. We needed something to evenly slice the bread, and this was like a great find. And it comes with a nice bag to store it away, because you will slice it and that's it, you are done. It has a little lock in here, so you will have to push that way and then do it.
Towards me?
Yes.
Slowly, baby.
So pretty cool. If you guys want links to any of these items, we can certainly put the links and stuff for you. So just comment on the video and we'll give you all the links. This is the last piece, and this is the something that will need us to assemble it, because this is her bread box to keep on the countertop to store all her bread fresh. And so let us assemble it, and then we'll show you how it works.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So the bread box is assembled. Let me show you how it looks. Here is the beauty. It's black color with the natural bamboo. They have ventilation on back to keep it fresh. Magnetic closer, so that. And then we really love the look. What happened?
My water.
Maybe you made a mess over there, so please.
So the leftover breads are in here. And Tanya is gonna bake some more breads later. So this is how it looks. Current situation of the house. If you guys are wondering where are they all sitting, they're sitting over here. This little one is here, and Aiden is feeding her some snacks.
I can hold the tiger and you can feed her.
So we are watching Alani for the evening, and I think Nitish and Ashley are gonna come back and pick her up around 9:30, 10, sometime around that time. So Aiden is just having fun with her, but he does not understand how gentle he has to be around her. So we have to have a constant watch. So he accidentally does not push her because he's like super rough. He's a kid. He doesn't understand what she can and cannot take actually. So Tanya is on duty right now. Our plan though is it's 5:10 and she'll eat a little bit of snacks, and then we all will go out and we'll take them to the park so that Aiden can play in the sand or something, and then we'll spend like an hour or something out there. We also have to go feed Astro and check on him, and that's it. And Tanya has some plans to make dinner tonight.
I'm a little confused because we don't have enough time, and I need like at least an hour and a half.
That's what I was just gonna say in the vlog. That she had plans, what she was gonna make today, but I don't think it's gonna be feasible for today, given there's a lot going on. So we'll see what we have for dinner.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm in the car with the kids. This one is over here. The other one is over here drinking her milk. And Tanya has went inside to feed Astro and show him outside. And then we're gonna take the kids to the park.
Can't really see anything. It's just too dark. Alright, so we are at the park. It's called Carpenter Park, and then they have like a sand spot here. So Aiden got his toys and he's playing with his sand toys here. And we also got Alani with us. Mayang is putting her in the swing, so she is with him and he is with me, and we're just having fun here. It's a nice evening. It's a little hot, but we had to get the kids out. Aiden did not take a nap today, so that's why he was a little cranky and moody. So we're like, let's just go to the park and he'll be in a good mood and he'll have fun. So yeah, that's what is happening. He is in a good mood now and he's playing. So yeah, this is like his favorite thing to do, come to the park and play with the sand toys. That's what he does. And he will play by himself for an hour or so, like, so it's a very good thing for me.